Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Garmin Venu 2. To begin, locate the top right button on your device. This is often referred to as the action button. Press and hold this button firmly for about 2 seconds. You'll know it's working when the Garmin logo appears on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button, and your Venu 2 will continue its startup sequence, ready for use. After powering on, your Venu 2 will guide you through some initial setup steps. First, select your preferred language from the options presented. Next, it's crucial to pair your watch with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. This app is essential for syncing data and customizing settings. You'll also be prompted to enter personal details like your height and weight, which helps ensure accurate health metrics. Finally, allow for any software updates to download for optimal performance. If your Venu 2 isn't turning on, don't worry, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. First, make sure the device has enough battery charge. Connect it to its charging cable and a reliable power source for at least 30 minutes. If it still doesn't respond, try a soft reset by holding the top right button for about 15 seconds. This can often resolve minor software glitches. If these steps don't work, it's best to contact Garmin support for further assistance. When you're ready to power off your Garmin Venu 2, the process is just as straightforward. Press and hold the top right button for a few seconds until the control menu appears on your screen. From this menu, you'll see several options. Simply select the power off option. A confirmation prompt will then appear, confirm your choice, and your device will shut down completely. The screen will go blank, letting you know it's safely powered off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.